You will keep ruining your skin and keep wasting a lot of money if you keep listening to skincare influencers. And the only reason you keep wasting money buying skincare products is because you don't educate yourself on skincare. Most skincare influencers review products, but they don't take their time to educate their audience on the important facts. A lot of reasons contribute to why your skin is not skinning. And as much as skincare is very important, you should also consider other factors such as genetics, lifestyle choices, hormone, diet, and so many other things, environmental factors. All of these contribute to why your skin may not be skinning. Now, if you keep getting acne, for example, and you've tried loads of products and the acne is not going away, what you should do is trying to find the cause of the acne, because there are different types of acne and there are so many reasons why you can be having acne. Check your hormones. Are your hormones balanced? A lot of people experience hormonal imbalance, which can lead to terrible hormonal acne. Hormonal acne is most times appear underneath the face. So if you have acne around this area, check. You may have hormonal acne. If your hormones are imbalanced, it can also cause serious health issues. So make sure your hormones are balanced through your lifestyle and your diet. All of these play a major role in the health of our skin. A simple blood test can confirm hormonal imbalance, and then you can start working towards balancing your hormones. Hormonal imbalance can happen to anybody because we've all got hormones. So make sure you are taking notes and you are checking all of these important things. And this could be why your skin is not skinning. Another thing that is still connected to hormonal imbalance is poor diet, like I have mentioned earlier, lifestyle choices. All of these fall under why you can have hormonal imbalance and terrible skin. The food you eat contributes greatly to how your skin looks. So if you eat a healthy, balanced diet, your skin is going to look healthy. But if you are eating junks and you don't include healthy, balanced diet that will provide your body with the appropriate nutrients your body needs, it will not show on your skin. Like your skin will not skin. Ideally, we should be eating fruits, vegetables, fiber, carbohydrates, lots of protein, and all of those good stuff. But we easily get into the hole and get trapped in that hole of eating processed foods that are not very, very healthy. And processed foods do not have good impact on our skin or our health generally. So you see why you need to eat a balanced diet if you want to have a good looking skin. When you eat too much processed foods that are mostly carbohydrates, it can raise your blood sugar, which can cause hormonal imbalance. Can you see how these things are connected? And when you eat too much unhealthy fats like the greasy foods and all of those stuff, it can also cause inflammation in our body and lead to acne and also hormonal imbalance. Can also cause other health concerns. So you see why you need to check all of these things before you make conclusions on just buying skincare and treating your skin with skincare products. What you eat or what you put in your body contributes greatly to how your skin looks. So prioritizing a healthy, balanced diet will give you a healthy looking skin. We went to visit a family friend the other day and the couple won't stop speaking about how my skin looks. I haven't done my skincare in months and my skin still looks good because I prioritize eating healthy over eating junks. You can still enjoy your treats once in a while, just limit it. I will talk more about how your diet affects your skin in another video, so subscribe if you don't want to miss that video. Another reason some people have poor skin is genetics. The genes play a major role in how our skin looks and how we look generally. Although some people have healthy genes and without even doing much, they have great looking skin, and some other people do not have these blessings. So your skin keeps acting up and you run tests and you keep hearing, oh, there's nothing wrong, everything is perfectly fine. Your skin could be poor because of your gene, which is not very bad because we are all unique in our own ways. Just accept that your skin will have good days and bad days and you will have peace. Just accept the fact that not everyone has perfect skin. In fact, nobody has perfect skin. We all have imperfections. No one has perfect skin. The skin is an important organ in the body. It is as important as your eyes, your ears, your heart, your kidney, your lungs, and all the other organs you can think about because its job is to keep all these organs protected. This skin, this organ should be treated with care. Do not overload it with rubbish products, especially those bleaching products and products that you don't even know much about the manufacturers, products that you don't have much information about. Do not treat your skin anyhow. Do not just buy any product and apply on your skin because this is also an organ and it is an important organ in your body. It is not just there for fancy, it is very important. It keeps the internal organs and the internal body protected. This organ is permeable, so whatever you apply on it goes into your body and goes into your bloodstream. That is why when you use bad products for some time, you start seeing the effects after a while. That's because this skin, if you put something on it, it will penetrate. Products can penetrate through your skin and go into your body. Can you imagine what you are doing to your body if you are using harmful products? That's why when you bleach your skin, it doesn't stop at the surface of the skin, it goes into your body. And that's why skin bleaching can affect major organs in the body. So you have to be really careful what you are applying on your skin. Skincare is beyond having a beautiful skin and a glowy skin. Just make sure you know what you're doing. It is very important for you to seek skincare knowledge. Do not just jump into skincare because you want your skin to look good. I'm not saying skincare products are not important. Skincare products are still very important, but it doesn't just stop there. You still need to eat healthy. You still need to live a healthy lifestyle. So make sure you are doing all of these things because they all add up. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. You know all the good stuff. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. See you later, guys.
You here beside me for eternity, shining your light like a sun. I try